In a world where opportunities have been historically reserved for a few, where access to promising investments seemed out of reach, a new dawn emerges.
Welcome to Finceptor. Finceptor isn't just a platform, it's a movement.
It's the embodiment of the belief that everyone, regardless of background, deserves an equal chance at economic empowerment.
Powered by the revolutionary blockchain technology, Finceptor challenges the status quo.
It's not just about investing, it's about democratizing access to private markets, leveling the playing field for all. At the core of Finceptor lies a vision to break down the barriers of the private market, providing equal opportunities to everyone.
Our mission is clear: to create an open, transparent, and accessible platform for retail investors. Decentralization isn't just a buzzword, it's our guiding principle. By decentralizing private capital, we empower individuals, offering trustless transparency and liberty. It's about challenging conventional authority and reshaping the future. Now, let's talk about the Finceptor credit token, the cornerstone of our platform. $FCT isn't your typical token, it's a gateway to exclusive investment opportunities within Finceptor's offerings. T's not a stablecoin, it's your key to early-stage investments. $FCT represents a direct right, without obligations, to invest in our platform's offerings. While traditional staking models might dilute your investment potential, $FCT ensures a competitive edge. With a paid allocation model, it's about maximizing your returns and protecting against market downturns. Join this paradigm shift. The future of decentralized investing is here. With Finceptor, we're rewriting the narrative, empowering individuals, and embracing a future where everyone has an equal shot at success. Join us at Finceptor, where the power of decentralized investing lies in your hands.